Hello my friends and welcome back to my MyiDevice YouTube channel. If you want to keep your Windows devices secure and safe in 2025, you need a reliable VPN. So in today's video, I will introduce you the best VPN for Windows, which helping you to browse safe, access to blog content and enhance your privacy. So stick around and see which VPN is the best for you. First of all, open up a browser and go to this URL, windscribe.com/signup. Of course, I will mention the link in description. Now copy and paste, and we will go to this page. And on the main page, type your username, your password, and confirm your password, and write your email address. Guys, for email address, you can use temperature email address, and you can go here, email1.io, and always I use this trick. And here on the main page, just open up inbox, and you have your inbox here. Just copy and paste the temperature email here. Just click on create account button. Now write the correct captcha here on the enter captcha field. I got another error. This username is taken, so I have to change it. So I've changed it. Everything is ready. Just click on create account. Here you can see the paid plans of the VPN, which we have nothing to do with them. Just click on the download section to get the VPN client. Well, on this page you can see VPN clients for different platforms, including Windows, macOS, and extensions for different browser, and as you can see, for iOS devices and Android devices. You have the download link. Because I use actually Windows platform, I will go here. As you can see, 64 byte. Just click on download button and wait till the end. So while our VPN client is downloading, we go to our email address to confirm the VPN email. As you can see, we have an email from Windscribe. Just click on the subject, and here when you go to downside, you will find the actually confirm link. Just click on confirm email, which is green, and here, and wait. So as you can see, the email address is just confirmed. So remember, don't actually close this page. We have something to do with that later, so don't close that. After the VPN client is completely downloaded, go to your download folder and open the client file to install it. Click on install, and you can have a creat shortcut on your desktop. Go back to installation and click on install and wait. And here it's time to write your username and your password, and we have some option here. We have nothing to do with them. Just click on login, and we will write our username and password. Now just click on this button and wait. After entering our profile, as you can see guys, here we only have 10 GB of free monthly bandwidth. In the first step, we will proceed to get 30 GB of free monthly bandwidth. You can do this in two ways. One is to enter to your profile from this section. Click on the three line, and here try to find the account, which is obvious. Just click on it, and on the downside you will see manage account. Just click on it. The second way, as I said at the beginning of the video, do not close this page. On the same page, we will enter our voucher code. In fact, the pair of rows end up on the same page. So just tap on account tab, and here you will see your account information, such as refer a friend URL, unlocking a streaming, and especially bandwidth usage. As you can see, we have 10 GB free here, and here you can see the claim voucher button. Just click on it. Now in the voucher code field, just type like me, Iran 2023. As you can see, Iran 2023, and click on claim. So as you can see guys, we did it. Your account has been upgraded to 30 GB. Actually, as you can see guys, still it shows that 10 GB, but just refresh the page and you will see the result as a 30 GB. Guys, for more voucher codes, you can come to my Telegram channel, and we have a wonderful and attractive free items every day. You can find the link in description or about of my Telegram channel, and you can see here. So close the web page and back to VPN client. Guys, if your monthly free 30 GB bandwidth was not applied, log out of your account and log in again, and it will be fixed. Now we will log in again. Type your username and password and click on the sign. As you can see guys, the problem is fixed and we have a 30 GB free bandwidth monthly. Well, I will give you an explanation about the important options of the program, and you don't need to change other options, and change them if it's necessary. So here click on three line and we will go to settings, and on the general tab you can turn on or turn off launch on a startup, and when you go to downside you can change your language. So there is nothing important here, just we will go to important part, which is connection tab. So click on it, and here you can change your actually client protocol and actually split tunneling. The most important part is here guys, connection mode, and by the default is on the auto, and you can change it to manual and change your VPN protocol and your port. As you can see, we have a 6 protocol here, which is actually great for this VPN. Actually guys, you can't find a VPN that offers you this number of protocols, and you can switch between them and actually their port, which is great and amazing. Well, nothing needs to be changed here guys, and we close the settings and go to the main part of the program to connect it. Here again you have access to change your protocols and your ports manually. As you can see, we have 6 protocols here and you can change them. In locations tab you can choose between actually so many countries, and each country has many actually servers which are cities. Here you have many free servers and actually paid servers. You will see actually series of sessions marked with an star in the corner that are for users who have purchased a subscription. So they are for VIP user and paid user. Actually guys, I personally don't suggest you to actually subscribe, because their free servers are actually great and for our work, and they are excellent I think, and their speed is acceptable. After you have selected the server you want, click on the connection button and wait. Guys, there is a so important point here I must tell you, so pay attention to me. In a case your country restricts the internet extensively, like where I live, and your VPN won't connect, you can change your VPN protocols and your ports and change the locations to connect your VPN. Let me show you how to do it. As you can see, my VPN can't connect to the locations and it doesn't work. So we will go to the actually settings and we'll change the protocols and ports. So again click on the three line, go to connection tab, go to down, and here you can find your protocols. I will change it to TCP and ports to actually 8080. Now close the settings and change your locations. For example, I will go to Canada and select one of their cities. Here, Canada East. Yeah. Toronto. And wait. Great. As you can see, guys, the VPN has connected to the server actually completely. And just click on yes, it's nothing. And this is a great tutorial for you guys. Actually, I try to cover everything. Hope you enjoy it. Let me test it and show you how it's work. Here is nothing left to say, my friends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and recommendations. As always, thank you for watching. We will see you in the next one.